Ladies and gentlemen, my video will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Zonix. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you certain recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Well, unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Zonix ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So very soon it does its malicious job. It reveals this error message, which is actually a ransom note. The ransom note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus application, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. But to get Combo Cleaner, you will most likely need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.